Hi everyone, Christy Martin from Martin's Floral in Springfield, Missouri, and Joe here to tell you about the new Christmas 2026 that's starting to arrive. And I brought Bucky Christmas today. I felt like he needed to be here. Joe just got back from vacation, so she's very festive. So anyway, we're going to show you some product. Make sure and stay tuned because there'll be more videos coming very regularly right now. So we're going to open it with you, see what's in here. This is from a company. There's going to be a lot of different styles. You begin and see what you've got.
Oh, a beautiful spray of
Pretty.
the green and red. A lot of berries there as well.
That's beautiful glitter. You know, traditional red is going to be huge. It's going to be huge this year. Red, red, and red. So there's going to be a lot.
Okay.
Now let me see what's in here. Okay, I can tell it's an ornament because it's all glass. Come on out. Oh my. Okay,
Nice.
there's something for the woodland. There should be from this
pretty.
company some beautiful round ornaments, iced ornaments, all kinds of things to go with this. Okay, what do we got?
Very nice. Another spray. Got a jingle bell going on. Pine cone as well.
Nice.
But again, the glitter is prominent.
That'll be all right. We're going in. Oh! Now I know how you all love these trees. Oh, look at this beautiful one. This is going to go gorgeous with any of the cream things. You know, the green and cream, like the magnolia look. Oh, that'll be gorgeous. That'll be gorgeous. Okay, guys, there you go. Your turn.
Okay. Love to come back for Christmas in July here, you know. So it looks like I've got an ornament.
Oh my gosh,
another piece for woodland.
Oh, see, look.
Pine cone
We have
going
that,
on.
and you got these.
Yeah.
And there's going to be small acorns as well, so plus some
Very
stunning ribbons to match all of that. Oh, that's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Okay. Oh, well, we're going to know the colorway here. All righty then. Look at these gorgeous packages. Now I'm going to tell you, this is probably not going to be in store. This will probably be for those of you that follow. We also have an Etsy. We're on eBay. We also have
Amazon.
Shopify and Amazon, of course. There's so many different ways you can get our product. Some of these items will actually be on things that are only offered online. So, but that's really pretty. Really, really pretty.
Okay. Another pick.
I love that one.
Okay. That's
The
gorgeous.
beaded fruit. You've got the apple and the pear, and I'm not sure, but again,
That makes me think.
you've
Okay.
got the bronze going on. Very nice.
Check this out. So beaded is going to be huge. For those of you like me that have been around for a little while, you're going to know that beaded is actually back in again this year. Very much so. And we started seeing aspects over it the last couple of years. But there are some beautiful, beautiful pieces from this company.
Okay, I'm not sure what this is because I don't have anything on the box that tells me.
Oh, okay.
Must be an ornament, though. We have another ornament. I'll try not to drop it.
Oh my, that
There
one's
we
beautiful.
go.
Oh my gosh.
I got
that's
that
beautiful.
marble look. Bronzy. That looks nice.
That would go woodland, or
Yeah,
it would
I
even
think that
go.
would
Look, that
certainly-
would even go with this.
Ooh, nice. Yeah.
And there are all different fruits. I see an apple. I see a beautiful pomegranate. And I would imagine there's probably a pear because usually it
yeah, I've
comes
got
in
the
threes.
pear on this one.
But the movement on these and the leafing is just beautiful. The detail is fantastic. Oh, yeah. Okay. There's some tall prancing Santas and some tall deer we won't open, but you can come in person and see those.
What you got?
Oh, wait. Open that. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say on the box, but I'm curious. I have a feeling it's an
I'll
ornament.
be surprised.
I have a feeling it's an ornament. Wait. Yeah, I've got something in a forest.
A Santa.
I got a Santa in a forest down here.
Wow.
Oh, those are neat. I remember there's several different
okay.
things that are very unique with this.
Kind of got that iron look.
Yeah, it's kind of, and I love
But
the
then
toppings. I love the way the top is.
Okay.
The
Kind of
little
almost a
clutch is so
medallion
pretty.
look.
Yeah,
from
yes.
the ceiling. Yeah.
There is a real unique look that kind of goes with this. And once again, that could go into the naturals. That could go into the woodland. I could see
Oh, I
that
like
with
that.
magnolia.
Yeah.
What are we?
That's very
Flower.
unique.
This says flower jewel finial. Oh my. Wow. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this.
Oh, that is beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
That's got some bling going.
Yeah, that's got some serious bling. I like it. I like it. Okay. Where are you at? That is something big.
Something huge.
Oh, all right. This is something that's going to be a lot this year. There are bells in every shape, size, color, variety, etc., etc. Bells started being so big last year. This year, they're going to be even bigger. And I think we ordered a lot of them.
A lot of those. There's your trio of trees.
That's
The
just
ornaments.
something. Retro is going to be good
Yeah.
again this year. Retro, and there's a very unique new line of gingerbread for our gingerbread people. So that's going to be fun. Okay, so this definitely goes with the beaded look. This is a stunning magnolia. We'll kind of shape it out here because, yes, I've seen some weirdly shaped items over the years. So, but this
nice.
is stunning. And I think there's a red, there's a burgundy. I feel like there's a gold
That
shade
would
too.
be
But that
gorgeous
will
with some of the
That's what, oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Greg is loving this. Okay. Oh,
Oh, little furry Santa there. I'm sorry, snowman.
no, ma'am.
Got the grays going on.
Clear.
Yeah. Add to your snowman collection.
Oh, wow. Okay. This is a stunning garland. The pine this year is so beautiful. There will be so many new cedars. But this thing is gorgeous. You wouldn't need anything that. Tuck some of those little lights in them. This would be stunning. And a shout out to Misty, who unpacked all this from the pallets and then cut it all open for Joe and I. We will be opening more every day. And we're going to be doing this. In fact, there's a whole table behind us that will be bringing you another video. And something I can show you. Wow. The ribbons this year are going to be amazing. This right here, let me get it out so we can see it. Wow. Take a look at that. There are some of the most beautiful ribbons this year, and I can't wait for y'all to see them.
A lot of bling, and it's got the silver. on
Yeah,
the
it's
back.
reversible. So you kind of catch, if you bend it, you still get a beautiful display on the back, too.
It's really pretty.
I think it's going to be a beautiful season. Thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. So happy July
and
Merry Christmas.